Okay, so here we have another railroad crossing on the NS Cleveland District in Lakewood, Ohio. This is Hall Avenue. Here's the northern signal. It's got a Safetran base, a Safetran gate mechanism. Let's go ahead and read the emergency information. How about that? The ID is 472-215B. Safetran 12x20s. You can kind of see it right there. Of course, it's got NEG gate lights right up there. And right up there, I believe it's General Signals Type 1 electronic bell. We just had 206 go through a few minutes ago, so don't gotta worry about the train. And here's the southern signal. It's got a Safetran base. There's people there trying to talk. Safetran base. Safetran gate mechanism. Safetran 12x20s up there. This crossing, this signal's kind of hidden in the brush if you think about it. NEG gate lights. This crossing's on the NS Cleveland District. So it's looking east towards towards Cleveland. The next crossing right there is Westlake Avenue. This way's looking west towards Rocky River Bay Village, Avon Lake, Sheffield Lake, Lorraine, and Bellevue. Next crossing down there is Ethel Avenue. Relay case is on the northwest quadrant of the crossing. So yeah, I literally just caught the world's shortest 206. He had, well, I don't know how many had like 10 cars on him. So yeah, this is the Hall Avenue Railroad Crossing in Lakewood, Ohio. Out.